Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss federated authentication. This diagram shows a federated authentication, a model where user identity is verified by a trusted third party, the identity provider or IDP, and not by each individual service the user wants to access. So user, the person trying, this is the user, is trying to access a service, right? So user is trying to access resources, right? So identity provider, example, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, this is where the user log in first, right? And it handles initial authentication, for example, with username, password, or multi-factor authentication. So service provider, this is service provider and this is identity provider. So service provider, in this example, third party app, uh, Dropbox, HubSpot, Zoom, right? So this is the actual app or service the user wants to use. So this particular user is trying to access these apps, and it does not authenticate the user directly but trust the IDP. So how the flow works. So initial authentication, user login to IDP like Google, so identity provider, and second step you can see that token issue. The IDP creates a secure token, for example, SAML OIDC, providing the user identity, and token passed to SP. So service provider trust IDP, and that secure token is passed to the service provider. So that access is then granted. The SP trusts the token and let the user in without needing to the create a new account. So the user has already created the account on Google, Facebook. Um, so that is user social identity, and when user tries to access the resources, this third party app trust on this social identity, Google or Facebook, and it passes secure token to service provider, and service provider trust on that external IDP, and it allows to access those resources. So benefits is single sign-on, log in once, use multiple services. You are registered or you have a account, you have created your account once, and using those credentials, you can have access to multiple services. You are not supposed to create account for every single service. This is fewer passwords for the user, centralized identity management for admins, and easier integration between systems. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please share in the comment section.